Hey there, quilting enthusiasts! Welcome to another edition of QUILTMAS TV, brought to you by the 12 Days of QUILTMAS. I'm Kristen and I'm here to report on today's news. I have been trying all day today to get a few words from each of the quilters who participated in this 12 Days of QUILTMAS project. It has been difficult. Let's just say they have other plans on their schedule right now. I hope that you have been keeping up with all of the breaking news stories every single night at 6:30 p.m. We have premiered a new video from each of the quilters showing off what they have done with the fabrics that they were given. Now, some of those fabrics were terrible, some of them were cute, but you get to be the judge on whether or not the quilt, the finished product, was actually a success or it didn't make the cut. Thank you so much for weighing in on each of the quilts with your opinions and your thoughts. If you would like to win one of the quilts, make sure you follow the description box down below each video to get all of the rules. If you're tuning in late and you have no idea what the 12 Days of QUILTMAS are, you're missing out. Make sure you check the description box down below this video right here for this newscast and get all of the details. All of the links to the videos are posted down below. I have not been able to get in touch with each and every one of the quilters. However, a few of them, probably so I will stop bothering them, have sent in some blanket statements explaining why they are unable to comment. So the Distance is unable to comment because she is at an auction buying up all of the vintage and antique quilts. Tracy from the Sewing Channel has said that she is too busy studying analytics and algorithms. Her head is inside her computer. Also, this darling girl right here has declared herself the Queen of Christmas. Isn't that an amazing story? So Be It Quilts has said that she is too busy right now resewing a very long row of border that she sewed without a bobbin thread. Isn't that the worst luck? Our very own off-kilter quilter has said that he is too busy to comment because he fell down a flight of stairs and his jaw had to be wired shut. And that proves it that there is always that one in every single group. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. So Becca said that she was too busy to do an interview with me because she was too busy chasing cats at work. Very, very busy job. We have ISeeStarsQuilting in the studio right now, ready to give an interview. Let's go to ISeeStarsQuilting. Oh, okay, back to me. I wasn't expecting that. I think we should just let her sleep. She probably needs it. This is Kristen reporting in for QUILTMAS TV. April, back to you at headquarters for all the rest of the updates on QUILTMAS TV and the 12 Days of QUILTMAS. Are we good? No. April? April?
It's Christmas again, it's Christmas again. La 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 la.
It appears that we have lost her. That concludes today's episode of QUILTMAS TV News on the Go. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon. Make sure you check out the rest of those videos and make sure you get each of the code words so that you can enter to win one of these gorgeous, not so gorgeous, whatever you think, quilts by your favorite YouTube stars.